Hi everyone, how's it going? Azren the Language Nerd here. I hope you're doing very, very well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are often very difficult for English learners, so hopefully this video is helpful for you. If you want to see more phrasal verb videos, please let me know in the comments below, and if the response is positive, I will make more of these phrasal verb videos. With that aside, let's start. The first phrasal verb that we are going to talk about is fill out. Fill out means to complete a form. For example, right now you are looking at a form. If I write my name, my cell phone number, and my email on this form, that I can say that I am filling the form out. I can also say I am filling out the form. Both of those are acceptable. The next phrasal verb is take off. Take off is very, very easy. It means remove clothes. For example, I take off my hat. I can also say, put it back on. I can also say, I take my hat off. Here's another example. I take off my sweater. I can also say, I take my sweater off. Both of those are acceptable. The opposite is put on. Put on means to take clothes and place them on your body. For example, I put my hat on. I can also say, I put on my hat. Another example, here's my sweater. I put my sweater on. I can also say, I put on my sweater. Both of them are acceptable. The next phrasal verb is hang up. Hang up has two meanings. The first meaning is to end a call. For example, if I am speaking on the phone and I say, hi, how are you? Blah, 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 blah. I am talking on the phone. At the end, I hang up. The second meaning of hang up is when you take your sweater, or you take a t-shirt or a hoodie, you take it and you put it on a hanger, and then you put the hanger in the closet. That is another meaning for hang up. So the sentence would sound something like this. I can say, I hang up my jacket. Or I can say, I hang my jacket up. Both of them are acceptable. The next two phrasal verbs that we will do are turn on and turn off. These ones are very easy. Let me show you. Right now, this room is dark. Because of that, I will turn on the light. I can also say, I will turn the light on. Both of them are acceptable. If I want to make the room dark again, I can turn the light off. I can also say turn off the light. Both of them are equally correct. The next two phrasal verbs that we will do are pick up and put down. These two phrasal verbs are opposite. Pick up means to lift. For example, I pick up my laptop. I can also say, I pick my laptop up. Now, when I am done, if my hands get tired, I can say the following. I put my laptop down. Right? I pick my laptop up. I put my laptop down. I can also say, I pick up my laptop. And I can say, I put down my laptop. Well everyone, thank you for watching that video. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more videos on phrasal verbs, please Let me know in the comments below and I will make more for you. Well, have a good day and we will talk next time. Bye for now. See you.